Hey my dudes, welcome back to Rooster's Relevance. Today we got a really exciting video and I'm really excited to film it because we are about to be taking those bikes right there. We're about to be loading it in that trailer right there. And we're going to be taking them all the way out to Arizona for the next 2 weeks. And we're just going to travel around and try to see as much cool stuff as we possibly can before the trip's over. So, I hope you're as excited as I am about this whole thing, but I can't wait to get this video produced. For now, it's time to get those bikes loaded into the trailer and strapped in because it's time to hit the road. Time lapse engaged. Well, all right, we finally made it to Flagstaff, Arizona. We're going to be staying the next couple of days, and it only took us 28 hours. But as you can see, we already got the bikes busted out. We're about to get ready to do some riding. Well, we finally made it to our first stop, and that first stop is going to be the Grand Canyon. I saw, dude. Woo! we're going on an adventure. Hey there, Father.
What's going on?
Oh, just, you know, being a badass.
Admiring the view.
Well, all right, we caught a lot of footage while we were over there, so I'm actually gonna have to break this into 2 videos. You know how it can be, it's a bit hard to siphon through 2 weeks worth of footage in just a couple of days, so I'm gonna take some time for the next part of the video. Stay tuned for more because we still got the petrified forest, we still got our Route 66 parts. I mean, we went all the way over to Vegas, caught a lot of it on footage, and it's gonna be pretty cool, so stay tuned. But you know the gits. If you like what you saw and you're excited for the next section of this video, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Ta-ta for now.